This is the Arpha Fingerprint Smart Lock. We can use our fingerprint, password, or a physical key to use this keypad. It has the auto lock function, we have the one-touch locking, and also we can control it with the app. Let's open the box and put it to the test. We have a user manual, how to install it, how to set it up, all in here. And we also have a template for the measurements on your door. So we have the lock cylinder with all the tools included in this. We get 2 keys in this box. We have the bolts here, and this is the back lock system. So this is the unlock position and lock position right there. And we can press a button to lock and unlock at the back as well. And this should be the place that you put the batteries in. So we need 4 AA batteries. Batteries are not included. This is the computer module inside of the plate. The front lock system here. I like that they included the protective pad so it doesn't damage the door itself. That's pretty neat. And this is a pretty cool design actually. So we have the keypad right in front. We have the lock and unlock function right in front. We have the keyhole entry right here. And this is the fingerprint sensor right here. That's cool. I like the design as well. The brass design and black. At the bottom, we have the charging port. I'm assuming that would be for the emergency power. Let's install it on the door and test it. So I just removed my old lock here. And one thing we need to pay attention is we need to connect the front cable to the back plate, and this is where you need to connect it. And this is the template that you're going to use. It perfectly aligns with the hole and the keyhole right here, so we're fine. So it is in here and the cable comes inside. We're going to put the back plate and route the wire in. So we need to connect the wire in the back. We need 4 AA batteries. Okay, and if I press again, it will lock by itself. Now, as you can see, the app is connected. Everything is working fine. If I press and hold, it will unlock the door for me. And if I press and hold, it will lock the door on the app. You can add different members with different passwords. You can do up to 50 passwords. And you can also do a temporary password. So if somebody just want to visit and unlock the door for once, you can just get a temporary password and share it with that person. Very easy. And you can also set a time limited password or one-time passcode, and you can send it to that specific person. I guess that will work for the Airbnb situation. Sometimes I have like a connection issues as well. It gets disconnected. You can add the auto lock. I mean, you can go up to 20 minutes between the auto lock. I'm just gonna leave it at 10 seconds, which is fine for me. We have the lock volume. Now I just wanna add my fingerprint. Now I need to press my finger right on the sensor. 5 times, different directions. Now let's test the fingerprint that I just set up. Okay, it works and unlocks the door, and it only unlocks the door. It doesn't lock the door. You need to press to lock the door. And also we have the passcode that I have set up here, and the passcode also unlocks the door. And also we have the physical keys to lock and unlock the door very easily. And also the app keeps the record of who locked and unlocked the door, and so you can have a lock system as well. That's pretty neat. The app could have some bug issues as well, but they might change it in the future. But overall, it's a great product. You can have up to 50 people using the different passwords. And also you can record up to 50 fingerprints, which is very good. You can give people one-time passcode. If somebody comes to repair or you're running an Airbnb, you can do that. I really like the auto lock function. So if you unlock it, after 10 seconds, it will lock itself. So if you forgot to lock the door, it will lock the door by itself. Yeah, another good function about this door lock is anti-picking system. You can put the random number before or after your actual password. So if you come to the door with a stranger that you don't want them to know your password, you can just put a random number and add your actual password right there in somewhere, and the door will unlock. But the people around you will not gonna know the real password.